Hi all mga sis-smarts, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, this is another quick unboxing. So we have here another Android phone. So i-quick unbox naman muna natin to. And again, nabili namin ito sa Orange app, amounting of 9,999 pesos or 9,000, basta may voucher. So na less naman yung price. So we purchase this, of course, para din i-share sa inyo yung experience and also feedback namin with this Android phone. So, we have here Samsung A15, Galaxy A15. The color that we purchased is black and storage is 4GB of RAM with 128GB of ROM. So, binuksan ko na to kanina nung dumating yung package para din syempre, of course, for us to make sure na okay yung unit. As you can see, ayan, naka-sealed pa siya. Ayan. Meron na din pala tong free na 25 watts power adapter. Ayan, from Samsung din, of course. Ayan o, nakikita nyo, sealed pa yan. Kasi kadarating lang talaga nito kanina. So, let's open the box and check the unit, of course. So, kunin ko lang saglit yung ating scissor. Open ko lang siya. Kasi we have to be careful din. Okay. Ayan. So, open natin siya. Ang nipis na, no, ng box kasi wala nang lagayan ng charger. So, meron tayo ditong accessories. So, nandito yung pin ejector or pin eject tool natin. Sa loob niyan, meron tayong charging cord, Type-C charging cord, manual, and Samsung Care. Ayan, meron tayo niyan. And, yun lang sa loob nitong box na to. So, check natin. Wait lang. So, check natin ito. If meron pang iba. As you can see. Okay. So, as you can see, yun lang yung laman ng box natin. So, meron lang tayong Samsung na accessories dito. And then, yun lang. Wala tayong freebie na, what do you call of that? Jelly case. So, let's check the Samsung. Paano ba? Kailangan nating mag-ingat. So, open natin dito sa bottom part. Wait lang. Papel pala to. So, check natin tong unit na to. We have to be careful, of course. Ayan. Okay. Okay. So, slide lang natin. Okay. As you can see, ayan yung ating Samsung. Wala siyang naka-pre-installed na protective screen, as you can see. And tingnan nyo yung vessel niya. Medyo makapal pa yung screen na vessel niya. We have here sa right corner, power button, and then the volume rocker up and down. Sa bottom port, we have the charging port, speaker, and also microphone. Wala na siyang earphone jack. So, SIM tray, upper corner, another earphone. I'm not sure if this one is an earphone or speaker, but alam ko is earphone to. So, yun lang naman. Aesthetic vibe. So, let's check the camera module of this Android phone. Okay. So, we have here Samsung A16, as you can see. Ayan, we have 3 lens in here. We have flash. Tingnan nyo mabuti ang ating camera module. Plain aesthetic vibe, matte finish. We have Samsung brand in here. If you're going to tilt, ayan, medyo okay naman yung kanyang body. As you can see, magaan naman siya. Hindi siya ganun kabigat. And plain aesthetic vibe lang talaga siya, mga sis-mars. So, open natin siya. Okay, Samsung secured by Knox. Ayan, so, set up ko lang to real quick, mga sis-mars. Balikan ko kayo pag na-set up ko na. So, ayan, naka-set up na yung ating Samsung A16. As you can see. Okay. Smooth naman. So far, okay naman. Okay, tingnan nyo ang kanyang quality. Ayos natin brightness. Hindi ko pa siya kina-connect sa wifi namin. Pero yan, Ganyan yung screen display niya. So, for information, ayan. Android 14, okay. Battery information. Device care, ayan. Alright. So far, yun lang naman yung settings. Explore natin yan more sa ating full review. Konting hapapyaw tayo sa camera. Alright. So, yun lang naman yung ating quick unboxing with the Samsung A16. Again, mga sis Mars, if you want to purchase this, just click the description down below.